that the bank shall not claim any interest if he pays the balance by rupees 5,000 equal monthly installments till the entire area is paid. Stop. But if he is defaulted for 3 installments, in that case, bank shall be at liberty to claim the interest also. Stop.
They recover the amount with interest.
Bank is also
By executing the agreement.
Bank is also at liberty to recover the amount by way of execution.
Bank will be entitled to recover the amount with interest. Case of recovery.
Alright? Bas. Copy be given to the court. Next. Settle. Next.
Sunil Kumar.
Case player, court player.
मेरे जिनका हो रहा है वो प्लीज थोड़ा बाहर तो जाइए।